In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove navigation on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is click on the login button to access your Squarespace account. This is your gateway to unlocking all the customization options you'll need for this task. Once you've clicked on login, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose your preferred method of logging in. Let's keep things simple and efficient by clicking on continue with Google. This way, if your Squarespace account is linked to your Google account, you'll be logged in almost instantly and ready for the next step. Now, with access granted, it's time to select the website you wish to modify. You may have worked on multiple sites, so make sure to click on the one that's relevant to your needs. This will bring you to your website's main dashboard where all the magic happens. From this dashboard, navigate to the Pages section. This is where all your site's pages are displayed, and it's also where you can start the process of removing the navigation you don't need. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll see a list of all the pages that make up your website. Locate the page you want to modify and spot the gear icon next to it. Clicking on this gear icon will open up a menu with more options specific to that page. This menu is where we can dive deeper into the page's settings to remove the navigation. Next, click on the navigation option. This section controls what appears at the top of your site, such as menus and headers. It's fundamental to understand that your navigation is essential for user experience, but there are instances where you might want to hide it for aesthetic reasons or a single page design. Now, to get rid of the navigation, simply turn off the show header option. By doing this, you're effectively removing the navigation bar from view. This is a straightforward process, but always consider how removing navigation affects the usability of your site for visitors. Lastly, don't forget this crucial step. Scroll down and click on the Save button to ensure all your changes are finalized and applied. It's really important to confirm your adjustments so that everything is reflected on the live site. Double check that the navigation bar is indeed invisible by previewing your site. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully removed the navigation on your Squarespace site. Remember, you can always revisit these steps if you need to make further adjustments or revert back to showing the navigation. Thank you for following along, and enjoy customizing your Squarespace site. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out other guides for more tips and tricks.